Welcome to another episode of Rated V, where I excite you about plant-based food with travel guides, recipes, and food reviews. And today, because it's holiday season and New Year's is coming up, I am going to show you how to make a vegan cheese board really quick. So let's get into it. So on a wooden cutting board, I've added a few small dishes to add depth. These are filled with olives, a vegan cream cheese I mixed with romesco and granulated garlic, and last one is jam. And you want to spread them out on a platter of your choice because all of the other goodies will go in between. Next, you fill in the gaps with the cheese cut into different shapes. I've chosen cashew-based artisan-style cheeses like sun-dried tomato and the other of floral herbs. I will leave the links below of some of my favorite cheese brands and where they can be found. It's always good to add some kind of fruit. Whatever you have on hand is fine. I had tangerines, but pears, apples, and grapes work very well too. Now the carbs. Different breads and cracker varieties are really good to add. Try not to just use one kind. I'll be adding crackers in a bit as well. Nuts are a must. Almonds, walnuts, pecans, etc. are really good complements, and you want to add them to the gaps throughout the platter. The more filled the platter is, the better. Add crackers for variety. Now vegan meats for a savory touch. I'm using Violife vegan ham. You can cut in half like me or lay them flat or fold them depending on your platter size. Dried fruit. I like adding dates to cheese platters because they add sweetness and texture. Add these to corners next to the cheeses and any gaps that you see fit. And voila! Now you're ready to impress and enjoy. Well, I hope you guys like seeing the really quick creation of how to make a vegan cheese board. If you want to see more of my recipes, you can click on the link above. As you can see, you can kind of just use whatever you have and experiment, try different cheeses. It's really fun. Vegan cheese is rocking it now. There's so many good options. You have no excuse to try it, and you can even trick some of your non-vegan friends and they would never know. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, and have a happy holidays. Bye.